What's up everybody, it's Jake Keenan. We're back with another trick tip for you guys. Today we're doing frontside Smith grinds on ledges and rails. So let's start off on ledges because they're a little bit easier. Before you do though, I would say it's probably good if you have a really solid 50-50 down. Once you're really comfortable with 50-50s, then you can try out a front Smith. When you're doing a front Smith, all you're doing is locking your back truck on the ledge and then you're gonna dip your nose beneath the ledge. So two really important things you wanna keep in mind when you're doing front Smiths is number one, you don't want your nose hanging super far out. When I do them, I like to slide my nose right up against the ledge so your wheel is kind of rubbing against the ledge. The second thing is being mindful of where your body weight's at. I always keep my body weight back over my back foot because that back foot has my truck planted right on the ledge. If you're leaning forward, there's nothing there to support you, so you're just gonna end up spinning and slipping off the ledge. Something I like to do when I'm learning a new grind is I stand right in front of the ledge, don't roll at all, just try to jump onto the ledge and do the stall. Don't even worry about sliding it yet, just work on getting into the position. So once you've done this a handful of times and you feel comfortable locking that back truck and dipping your nose down, then you can try going at it with a little bit of speed. And so now once you've mastered it on the ledge, you're gonna take it to a rail. It's pretty much the same. There's one really key difference. When you're doing it on a rail, you almost wanna dip your back foot slightly in front of the rail. If you put it directly on top like you would with a ledge, your front foot's gonna dip too far and it's most likely just gonna end up pulling you off the rail. So lean forward just a little bit further and you wanna center your body weight directly over top of the rail. That's pretty much it for front Smiths. They're a really good intermediate level trick. Once you get them down, make sure you get a clip of it, put it on Instagram, tag us, we wanna see it. If you wanna see any other trick tips or just streetboarding content in general, make sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe on YouTube. That's it, thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.